Good day, dear teachers. Today we are going to discuss the classroom observable indicators for school year 2025-2026. Before we start, please like and share and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Teacher V. Let us start with indicator 1. Apply knowledge of content within and across curriculum teaching areas. So, maipapakita natin ito sa pamamagitan ng lesson integration. Halimbawa, pag-connect ng lesson nila noong grade 7 sa inyong topic ngayon, or pag-connect ng lesson ng AP sa values, or pwede din na pag-mention ng related concepts sa ibang subject. We can also use examples from learners' experiences to connect it in real-life situation. So in short, kayang-kaya ni teacher na ipaliwanag ng mabuti sa kanyang student ang kanilang lesson or topic without even looking or reading sa kanilang modules or books.